Hello everyone, today we will learn how you can record your voice directly in Adobe Premiere if you already have a video. So if you already have a track originally from your video and you don't want to delete it, so the best way to do it is you right click here in the audio track here and you right click and find the option for add a track. Okay, and now I can place myself here in the audio track 2. Here is where I'm going to record my voice, and I supposed to see here a microphone icon. If you don't see it, you right click here and you click on customize. Now you're going to see these little icons here, and you're going to click and drag the icon, microphone icon, and place here. Then you click OK. Now I think the microphone icon is grayed out, so the way to enable is to select a microphone input. So the way to do this, I right click here in the options and I'm going to click where it says voice over recording settings, and I click here, and when it says source no input, I'm going to select my desired microphone, and I want to choose, for me is this one, USB, and then I click and close option, and now I can see that the button is enabled, and when I click, you're basically good to go to start recording your video. Thank you very much and see you next time.